last Twitch of the year, because the year finishes tomorrow. And I mean, we'd like to show. I'm Fabio. I'm a new member of the Vivictis team, and in this Twitch, we'd like to show you what happened in the past few months, which changes, which updates we made to Racecraft on the game, on everything from the interface, from the user interface to the gameplay. And so, while the game loads, we have also Antonio here, our creative director.
Hey guys.
I haven't heard you. It seems that we have to put the mic here. Okay, so Antonio, if you'd like to show the audience the new interface, here's the interface.
Hey guys, how you doing? So here we are with the completely new interface for Racecraft. You have maybe seen my article on the dev blog. If you haven't heard this for the first time, the main screen of the game, where you will be able to control every aspect of every main aspect of the game. So as you can see, we have some certain tiles that are still disabled, but this will show you where we are heading during the early access. So we wanted to include them so you can see where we are going. One of the main section of the game that I would like to show you is the new tracks section. In this particular section, there will be many different attributes that you can change on the track that you are creating. Right now we have just two, but we will add more and more during the early access of the game. As you can see right now, you can change the length and the tortuosity of the track. So if I change the parameters, you see that the game generates a brand new track every time. So you can maybe
see it on the below map.
Yeah, exactly. So
this is going to be exactly the track in your race.
Yeah. So you can maybe set, for example, a very long track with a 5 and medium tortuosity, and then you can go to change track and generate new tracks based on that particular parameters. Or you can just switch to random in everything and have completely random tracks generated by the system in this way. As you can see, every time I click on change track, it generates a new track. The track name is still a placeholder, but as you can see, the other parameters changes. So you can see the number of corners and chicanes, the total length of the track, and the code for the seed of this particular track. So every single time that you save a track, it's saved, the particular seed is saved. So when you are okay with the track that you have generated, you can generate the track completely. So in this part, the game is now placing the different elements on the track, etc., etc., and you will be able to just race on it, like in the touch demo. So let's see if it's.
And would you like to talk about the game modes that we have in this version? And they will be the game modes we will have in the first early access release. We still don't know when we're going to do it, but we will start with this.
Right now we have the racing track that we just created, and we have two different game modes that we have combined from the previous one. Hot Lap is a combination of the Hot Lap and the Ghost mode that we had in the tech demo. So basically you just enter the Hot Lap mode and you can choose to drive alone or with a ghost or with a bot. and if you choose the ghost, you can change different different options based on that particular game mode that is just with one ghost, or with one bot that can restart in each intermediate. You can change the different time shift, etc, etc, and the difficulty of that particular bot that you're facing in this hot lap mode. You can also just exit from this particular game mode and choose the race mode that is basically right now racing towards AIs.
Cars.
Yeah. So you can choose the difficulty of the bot that you're facing. Right now you will face just one bot. We will have more in the future, but in this particular mode you will face bot that gets more difficult after each race. So basically you can start with an easy bot. You can we have 100 different difficulty levels, so you can basically start from your actual level. In this particular version you can choose whatever you want, and you can choose the length of the race, so basically 3 lap, 5 laps, etc. And then you just drive, and if you won the race you will then face a more difficult bot. So in this case, I am Garattoni, and I'm facing a level 12 bot. I will never win, I think, but I just wanted to show you. As you can see, we worked a lot also on the game graphics. So we have right now the updated shaders.
And there is still no post-processing on this.
Yeah,
on this version, but I would say there has been a great improvement since the tech demo release.
Yeah, we are still working on some post-processing, like motion blur, like we are working on the different color and saturation and different real-time effects, etc, etc. But what you see right now is just a naked, bare-bone version of the graphic engine that we are using to better debug the game during the development. So I just wanted to show you fast what you can do. So
we have to show them how to save the track.
Yeah, that's the option.
This is a very important feature.
Yeah, that's the feature that everybody asked us. It will be included in the game, and the answer is obviously yes. So basically, if you like the track where you were racing,